Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Kristi here. If you've never seen my face before, I stole that from Paige Danielle. Sorry, girl. But I love her so much. Anyways, so this video, I went to the Dollar Tree and I got some great stuff. I was so in and out of there so quick. It was crazy because I hate the Dollar Tree, especially mine. It's always crowded and always just, yeah, girl. But anyways, I brazed it because I wanted to get my pantry life together. So I was brave and I did it. So let's see what I got. And yeah. And then so the first thing I picked up, I don't know if I'm going to use it. But it was in there, in the organized, get yourself organized section. So I bought them, and they were $1, so who cares? But this thing is a corner shelf. I don't know if you can see that, if it's gonna zoom in. But my pantry, let me just say this too, my pantry is teeny tiny. It's like the size of a closet. So I've been really intimidated on what to do to it. But I did see this, and I figured this could sit on those wire shelves that we have. We still have these ugly things on our shelves. But my mom just told me today to check out Walmart. They have some covers for them. So I might check them out tomorrow. I'm not sure. But anyways, let me get back. So I picked up this corner shelf thingy. I'm definitely not going to use it how they have it on this picture here. I won't be doing that, but I figure I could get some use out of it. The same thing goes with this dish rack thing here. It's supposed to be for your, when I saw it, I thought of using it for my lids. But I don't know. I might use it for my cleaning products. I don't know. We'll see whenever I get to tackling that pantry, won't we? What else did I get? So then I got these wire baskets, which I thought was fun. They actually might go in the drawer, or I may stack them inside something in the pantry. I really have no clue. But it said organized basket, and we were looking for stuff to organize with. So there you go. That's why I picked those up. So 2 of those. And then more little bin thingies. I don't know, guys. But I figure for these, maybe those little condiments, because sometimes we keep those, like the Chick-fil-A sauces or something. Because when you make nuggets at home, you know, you could use these, and we sometimes keep them. I don't know, but it was in that section, so I bought them. And the next thing I got, guys, there's my receipt. Was this little basket here. And I may actually use this to under the sink and put my cleaning towels in there because I have so many of them. So I'm not sure if this is actually going to make it in the pantry or not. But if you guys have a suggestion for what I could do with this thing, what would be good in here? I don't know. Maybe we like grits, maybe packets of grits and oatmeal. I don't know. Leave me a comment. What do you think? And the next thing I got these. What is that? I got these 4 bins here. I got 4 of these, and definitely will be using these in a different way than I've seen most. See how big they are. I plan on putting like my rice inside of here in its box because I can't get those jars that everybody, the clear jars that everybody has, or have been using if you've been watching a lot of these videos. Because like our rice, we don't just eat one kind of rice. So I would have like 15 jars of rice. So for me, it would make more sense to keep the rice in its original containers or the boxes that they come in. Like, we like rice, like white rice, long grain rice, yellow rice, basmati rice, jasmine rice. We like rice. So I'm not even gonna try to do those glass see-through jars that everybody has. They're pretty, but it's just not for me. It's just not for where my house is set up. So I got 4 of these for things like that. Another thing, we don't eat a lot of cereal. So whatever we have would literally fit in one of these bins. So we mostly have snacks. So these will probably limit the amount of snacks that we buy, hopefully, because I am trying to lose weight too. So anyway, so I got 4 of these from the dollar store, from Dollar Tree. And the next few things that I have excite me so much because, y'all, this stuff that even these few things that I saw in like, even HOMEGOODS, especially like these, if I were to get from HOMEGOODS, would have been at least $10 for maybe a 2-pack or more. So I was so happy to see those. I wanted more stuff, but my Dollar Tree was out of, this was literally all they had in the white or clear. They had a lot of like green and like the color blue shirt that I'm wearing. I'm like, girl, I don't want that. I want white or clear. Aesthetics. It's all about aesthetics. So I picked up these little clear bins. Now these will not go in the pantry. My plan is for these to go in the refrigerator. So I'm really excited to find these. So I picked up the last 3 that my store had of those. So I got 3 of these. And again, they're the hard plastic. Now I will tell you, they're not as heavyweight as the ones that I picked up in other stores by that other brand that really does well with these. But they're still good. I mean, they're good. They're gonna serve its purpose. So these will go in the refrigerator. I wanted the clear for the refrigerator, and I think I'm missing something. Oh, it's in here. So yeah, so we have these for the refrigerator. I'm not sure what will go in them yet. I'm thinking in our, we have a leftover space in there, so I may kind of separate them for something like that. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, those. And then we also got this little tray right here, the 3-compartment tray. And I know it has like jewelry in it, but I'm going to use it in the refrigerator because it does have the bumpy bottoms, so it should sit nicely and not move all around in there. But my plan for this is to actually put, my daughter loves those juice boxes, apple juice boxes. And I think these would be perfect in there, and it just keeps them all nice and pretty. So these will go in the refrigerator. And the last thing for the fridge, oh, I'm so excited about this thing. When I saw it, I was like, move out of my way, people. Let me get to it. And it was this egg storage thing. Y'all, if you go in any store, these things are expensive. So when I saw it, I was like, ooh, and it was the last one. It was meant for me. Yes, girl. So these are gonna look so nice in the refrigerator. I can't wait to start using this one. If I find it, oh wait, let me slow down. Sorry, I get excited. Okay, so what I like about it too, I've seen these, and I don't know if they normally come with these lids, but y'all, like, so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna check my Dollar Tree again just to see if I could find another one of these, because I like that it's clear, but I could also boil our eggs for the week. and I'm right on here, you know, or something like that. So yeah, I just thought it was just the neatest thing. And like I said, it came with a nice lid for $1. Like, score. So, the last thing in my bag, nothing to do with nothing, but I did find a back scratcher because, girl, this back has been itching. For some nights, you know how you wake up in the middle of the night and you like, I can't reach it? So, that was it for the Dollar Tree. My total today there was $16. With tax, it came to $16.96. So this should be a good start for me and getting everything organized in the pantry. And if I can do this for less than $20, that's awesome. And I don't even mind if I run out and I need to go back, because I mean, they had it. I don't know if they're going to restock the colors that I'm looking for. But now if I needed to pick up a onesie twosie from like a TJ Maxx, HOMEGOODS, I won't feel so bad because I've already got the bulk of it, like the foundation. You know, I have what I need. Oh, one other thing that I picked up today. I went to HOMEGOODS, TJ Maxx, HOMEGOODS, and they had this room and mop organizer. I don't know if you can see that. But it was only $5.99. Zoom in, baby. Come on. Get in there. I don't know if it's going to focus. But anyways, and this was the broom and mop organizer. And I really, really wanted to get one of these. Y'all, my pantry is so small. I would love to hang it in my pantry. But my pantry is literally the size of a coat closet, like, or smaller. I don't know why a house this size that we live in has a pantry that is enough for 2 people. Legit is that small. We do have a nice size mudroom, so maybe they kind of took some space from there. But anyways, girls, so this will probably, or not probably, this will get used in my laundry room, which I am making that over and reorganizing that as well. So there will be a video coming soon for that. But yeah, I snatched this puppy up because I've been looking for them and they're kind of pricey too. So for $5.99, yeah, I think I did pretty good today. Have you been to Dollar Tree lately? Have you seen any of this stuff in your Dollar Tree? Are you on that KonMari method now too, trying to get your life together? Leave me comments in the comment section and let me know. And before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so, so much to me if you did. I would love to have you on this journey with me. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video and always comment. Like, I want to engage with you guys. So leave me a comment. That would be super fantastic. And yeah, that's it. So until the next time, this is Kristi, and I'll see you later.